Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find max from the data on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel and then open up any document. Now from here, if you want to find out max from this data, just select any cell and then type bracket, then type max and then just click on function, and here you can find max function. Then just click on max and then click on OK, and then select your all the data and then click on OK, and that's it. Now from the data, the maximum number is 33, and that way you can easily find out the maximum numbers on Excel. You can also use another method to find out max. Just select any cell and then type equal, then type max, then just select it and then type bracket, then select your all the data, then just close the bracket, then press enter, and that's it. And that is how you can find max or maximum number from your data on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.